Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Android and pulling down the Quick Settings shade. Once visible, spot the location or GPS icon, tap it to toggle quickly. If you need more control, long press the icon to jump directly into location settings. This gets you out of the way fast so you can change system and app access. Make sure the device is unlocked and not in a restricted profile because you need permission to change these settings. Once in location settings, you manage both system services and app permissions. Tap App Permissions to see which apps can use location. You can set each to deny, allow only while in use, or always allow. Make sure to change any always allow entries you don't want. Also disable Google location accuracy and Wi-Fi or Bluetooth scanning options if you want to stop non-GPS positioning. This reduces background location checks and improves privacy. You finish by verifying. Check the status bar icon and open an app that used GPS to confirm it no longer has a fix. If location appears active despite settings, restart your phone or briefly enable airplane mode and turn it off. That clears many service conflicts. Make sure no device admin apps or profiles override settings, and check Google location history in your Google account. If problems continue, revoke location permission from suspicious apps and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.